Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Squad Chats. I'm Jake.
And I'm Maria. Thanks for joining us today.
So Maria, I have to tell you, I had the most frustrating experience this week.
Oh no, what happened?
I ordered a package online and the delivery person said they delivered it, but I never got it.
That's so annoying. Did you find it?
Eventually, yes. It turns out they left it at the wrong apartment.
Oh, that happens so often.
I know, and trying to resolve it was stressful, especially because I had to call customer service and explain everything.
That's exactly what we're talking about today, dealing with delivery problems in English.
This is episode 4 of our Home English series.
These days we order so much online. Groceries, packages, food delivery, everything.
And when something goes wrong, you need to know how to handle it in English.
So today we'll teach you how to track packages, report problems, talk to delivery drivers, and contact customer service.
By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling any delivery issue.
So let's get started. Jake, how often do you get packages delivered?
Honestly, multiple times a week. I order almost everything online now.
Same, especially after the pandemic. I got so used to home delivery.
Right, but with so many deliveries, problems are bound to happen.
Exactly. So let's learn how to solve them.
Okay, let's start with the basics. First, what types of deliveries are we talking about?
Great question. Common home deliveries include
1. Packages from Amazon, online shopping, etc.
2. Food delivery from restaurants, DoorDash, Uber Eats.
3. Grocery delivery from Instacart, Walmart, etc.
4. Mail, like letters and documents from the Postal Service.
5. Meal kits like HelloFresh or Blue Apron.
6. Furniture, large items that need special delivery.
Each might have different issues.
Right. Let's start with package delivery, since that's the most common.
When you order something online, you usually get a tracking number.
A tracking number is a unique code that lets you see where your package is.
You can enter it on the delivery company's website to track your package. Track means to follow or monitor something.
Common delivery companies in the U.S. include
USPS, United States Postal Service, UPS, United Parcel Service, FedEx, Amazon Logistics for Amazon orders, DHL.
Each has its own tracking system.
When you track a package, you'll see different status updates.
Order placed, you just ordered it. Processing, the seller is preparing it. Shipped, it's on its way. In transit, moving towards you. Out for delivery, on the truck, coming today.
Delivered, it arrived.
But sometimes you see delivered and the package isn't there.
Yes, that's problem number 1, missing package. Let's talk about what to do when a package is marked delivered, but you can't find it.
Step 1. Check everywhere around your door, mailbox, and building entrance.
Sometimes they leave it in unusual places, behind a plant, under a mat, with a neighbor.
Step 2. Check the tracking details for more information.
It might say exactly where they left it, left at front door or handed to resident.
If it says handed to resident, ask anyone else in your home if they got it.
Step 3. Wait a few hours. Sometimes the status updates before actual delivery.
Good point. The driver might mark it delivered early.
Step 4. Check with neighbors. Maybe it was delivered to the wrong address.
You can knock on doors and ask, "Hi, did you happen to receive a package for me? I'm in apartment 3B."
Step 5. If you still can't find it, contact the seller or delivery company.
Let's practice that conversation. Jake, you're calling Amazon customer service about a missing package.
Okay. I pretend to dial.
Thank you for calling Amazon. My name is Maria. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm calling about a package that was marked as delivered yesterday, but I never received it.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'd be happy to help. Can I have your order number or tracking number?
Yes, the order number is 123-456-789-123-4567.
Okay, I'm pulling that up now. I see it shows as delivered yesterday at 3:15 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes, that's what it says, but I checked everywhere and it's not here.
I understand how frustrating that must be. Did you check with neighbors or around your building entrance?
Yes, I've checked everywhere. I also asked my neighbors and they haven't seen it.
Okay, let me help you. There are two options. I can send you a replacement right away, or I can issue a full refund. Which would you prefer?
I'd like a replacement, please. How long will that take?
The replacement will arrive in 2 to 3 business days with free expedited shipping. I'm also going to file a report with the carrier about the missing package.
Thank you so much. Will I get an email confirmation?
Yes, you'll receive an email within the next hour with all the details. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's everything. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
See? That wasn't so bad.
Not at all. Key phrases you used.
I'm calling about. I never received it. I checked everywhere. I'd like a replacement. How long will that take?
These are all useful phrases.
Now let's talk about problem number 2, damaged package.
This is when the package arrives, but the item inside is broken or damaged.
What should you do?
Step 1, don't throw away the packaging. Keep everything.
Step 2, take photos of the damage, both the box and the item.
Step 3, contact the seller immediately with the photos.
Most sellers will send a replacement or give a refund if you have photo evidence.
Let's practice. I'm calling about a broken item.
Hello? This is UPS customer care. How may I assist you?
Hi, I received a delivery today, but the item inside is broken. The box was damaged when it arrived.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Can you describe the damage?
The box had a large dent on one side, and when I opened it, the glass item inside was shattered.
I see. Did you take any photos of the packaging and the damaged item?
Yes, I took several photos.
Perfect. Can you provide your tracking number so I can file a damage claim?
Yes, it's 1Z999AA10123456784.
Thank you. I'm filing a damage report now. You'll need to contact the sender for a replacement or refund, but this report will support your claim. I'll email you a copy of the damage report within 24 hours.
Okay, thank you. Should I keep the damaged item?
Yes, please keep everything for at least 7 days in case we need to inspect it.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
Important vocabulary there. Damage claim, file a report, keep for inspection.
Right. Now, problem number 3, wrong item delivered.
This happens more often than you'd think.
You order something and receive something completely different.
The process is similar.
1. Contact the seller immediately. 2. Explain you received the wrong item. 3. They'll usually send a prepaid return label. 4. Send back the wrong item. 5. Receive the correct item or a refund.
Let's practice this one. Maria, you received the wrong item.
Hi, I'm calling because I received the wrong item in my order.
I apologize for that error. Can you tell me what you ordered and what you received?
I ordered a blue sweater in size medium, but I received a red dress in size small.
I see. I'm very sorry for the mix-up. I can send you the correct item right away and email you a prepaid return label for the wrong item. You can drop it off at any UPS location.
Okay, when will the correct item arrive?
It will ship today and arrive within 3 to 5 business days. The return label will be in your email within the hour.
Perfect. Do I need to pay for return shipping?
No, the return shipping is completely free since this was our error.
Great, thank you.
Key phrase, prepaid return label. You don't have to pay for shipping it back.
Very important. Now let's talk about problem number 4, delivery instructions not followed.
This is when you give specific instructions, but the driver ignores them.
For example, you write, please leave package at back door, but they leave it at the front where it could be stolen.
Or please ring the doorbell, but they just leave it without notifying you.
You can add delivery instructions on most websites when you order.
Common instructions.
Leave at back door.
Ring doorbell.
Do not ring doorbell, baby sleeping.
Leave with building concierge.
Signature required.
Call upon arrival. If drivers consistently ignore your instructions, you can file a complaint.
But be polite. Remember, delivery drivers work very hard and have difficult schedules.
Absolutely. They deliver hundreds of packages a day.
Now let's talk about food delivery specifically.
This has its own set of problems.
Food delivery problems.
1. Wrong order. You get someone else's food. 2. Missing items. Part of your order is missing. 3. Cold food. Took too long, food is cold. 4. Spilled/messy. Packaging leaked or broke. 5. Never arrived. Driver marked it delivered, but it's not there. 6. Allergies. You specified no peanuts, but there are peanuts.
Most food delivery apps, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, make it easy to report problems.
You can usually request a refund or credit through the app.
Let's practice contacting support through the app chat feature.
I'll type what you say.
Hi, I just received my order number 123456, but several items are missing. I ordered a burger, fries, and a drink, but I only received the burger.
I'm sorry to hear that. I can see your order here. I'm issuing a refund for the missing items right now. You should see $8.50 credited to your account within 3 to 5 business days.
Thank you. Can I also get a credit for a future order since this is inconvenient?
Of course. I've added a $5 credit to your account as an apology. It will automatically apply to your next order.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
See how the app makes it easy?
Yes, much faster than calling.
Now, let's talk about delivery driver communication.
Sometimes you need to talk directly to the delivery person.
Common situations.
They can't find your address.
They need a gate code.
They need access to a building.
You want to meet them at the door.
Most delivery apps let drivers contact you by phone or text.
Let's practice. The driver texts you. Hi, I'm at your building, but I can't get in. Do you have a gate code?
Hi, yes, the gate code is 123#. I'm in building C, apartment 205 on the second floor. Thank you.
Simple and clear.
Always include building letter or number, apartment/unit number, and any access codes.
This helps them find you quickly.
Now, problem number 5, delivery scams.
Unfortunately, these exist. Be careful.
Common scams.
1. Fake delivery notifications, texts or emails saying you missed a delivery with a suspicious link. 2. Phishing emails. Look like they're from Amazon or UPS, but asking for personal information. 3. Fake delivery drivers. Someone posing as a delivery driver to gain access to your building. 4. Brush scams. Receiving packages you didn't order. Companies boosting fake reviews.
How to protect yourself.
Never click links in unexpected texts about deliveries. Always check the sender's email address carefully. Don't provide credit card info through text or email. Check your actual account, not links in emails. Ask delivery drivers for ID if you're suspicious.
If you receive a package you didn't order, you can usually keep it. In the US, you're not obligated to return or pay for unsolicited items.
But do check with family members first. Maybe someone sent you a gift.
Good point. Now, let's talk about preventing delivery problems.
There are things you can do to avoid issues.
These are prevention tips.
1. Provide detailed delivery instructions. Be specific about where to leave packages. 2. Require signature if it's valuable. 3. Use package lockers if your building has them. 4. Get a doorbell camera. You can see when packages arrive. 5. Track packages actively. Know when to expect them. 6. Join apartment delivery groups. Neighbors can watch for packages. 7. Use Amazon lockers or store pickup when possible. 8. Ship to your workplace if allowed.
All of these reduce the chance of problems.
Now, important vocabulary review. Tracking number means
A unique code to monitor your package's location.
out for delivery means
On the delivery truck, arriving today.
prepaid return label means
A shipping label where the sender already paid, so you return items for free.
damage claim means
An official report that something arrived broken.
expedited shipping means
Faster delivery, usually 2 to 3 days instead of regular speed.
Perfect. One more scenario. Package theft.
This is serious. It's when someone steals your package from your doorstep.
It's called porch piracy.
If this happens,
1. Check security cameras if you have them. 2. File a police report. 3. Contact the seller. They may send a replacement. 4. Report it to the delivery company. 5. Consider using Amazon lockers or requiring signatures for future deliveries.
some neighborhoods have a lot of package theft.
In those areas, you really need to be proactive. Use lockers, ship to work, or have a package box.
Okay, Jake, what's the worst delivery problem you've ever had?
Oh, definitely the time I ordered a laptop and it got lost for 3 weeks.
3 weeks? What happened?
The tracking just showed in transit for weeks. It was going all over the country. California, Texas, New York, back to California.
It was taking a road trip.
Exactly. Eventually it arrived, but it was so stressful. What about you?
I once ordered furniture, and they delivered it to a house 3 blocks away.
Oh no.
The people who received it were nice and called me, but I had to arrange for it to be picked up and re-delivered. Such a hassle.
At least they were honest.
Yes. Okay, let's do a quick review of key phrases.
When reporting a missing package,
I'm calling about a package that was marked delivered, but I never received it.
when reporting damage,
The package arrived damaged. The item inside is broken.
when reporting wrong item,
I received the wrong item in my order.
when asking for resolution,
Can you send a replacement, or can I get a refund?
when following up,
When can I expect the replacement, or how long will the refund take?
these phrases work for almost any delivery problem.
Exactly. And remember, always be polite to customer service. They want to help you.
Yes, being rude won't get you anywhere.
Being calm and clear gets the best results.
Absolutely. All right, everyone. We hope this helps you handle delivery problems confidently in English.
This was episode 4 of our Home English series.
Next episode, we'll talk about dealing with neighbors, how to be friendly, and how to handle problems.
If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to Speak Squad Chats for more practical English conversation practice.
Leave a comment. What's the worst delivery problem you've experienced?
Thanks so much for watching.
Happy deliveries!
See you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.